Long time no see is an English expression used as a greeting by people who have not seen each other for a long period of time. Its origins in American English appear to be an imitation of broken or pidgin English, and despite its ungrammaticality, it is widely accepted as a fixed expression. Example:
Hi Rachel, long time no see.
Oh, hi Gabriel. Nice to see you again.
Finders keepers. The full form of this phrase is finders keepers, losers weepers, an English adage with the premise that when something is unknown or abandoned, whoever finds it first can claim it. This idiom relates to an ancient Roman law of similar meaning and has been expressed in various ways over the centuries. This phrase is commonly used by kids. Example:
Wow, a loaded wallet. Finders keepers.
Let the cat out of the bag means to accidentally reveal a secret. Like many other idioms, nobody is certain where the saying originated. Many believe that it comes from markets where animals were provided in bags and piglets would be substituted by cats by dishonest merchants. And when the customers got home, they literally let the cat out of the bag, revealing the merchant's secret. The phrase has been used since the 15th century. Example:
I'm not telling Leo about Carol's surprise party because he'll let the cat out of the bag. He cannot keep secrets.
Speak of the devil. The full form of this phrase is speak of the devil and he will appear, and was meant to warn people not to talk about the devil, afraid that he would really appear. It was widely known and used by the mid-1600s. Example:
Did you hear about the fight Ben got into last night? Oh, speak of the devil? There he is.
When pigs fly, or pigs might fly, is a figure of speech that suggests complete impossibility and has been used in various forms since the 1600s as a sarcastic remark about something overly optimistic. The form, when pigs fly, is more common in the United States. Example:
Do you think Dad will win the lottery someday?
Sure, when pigs fly.
Take a look at English idioms 1 and 2, and see you in the next video.
no one needs